How to draw Ming. We are going to begin by drawing the left side of a heart for her left ear. Then at the bottom of that, we are going to draw a circle for her earring. Then to the right of the earring, we are going to draw a small line continuing her ear. Next, we are going to draw the outline of her face. We are first going to draw a line going upwards from her left ear. Then starting at the bottom of the left ear, we are going to draw a curved line going towards the right and then upwards. This will be for the rest of her face. Great job! Now we are going to draw her right ear. For this, we are going to draw a half circle off the right side of her face. That does not connect at the bottom because then we are going to draw a circle for her earring. Her earring will be drawn right here in the space. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a wave line in both of her ears for detail. For the next step of drawing Ming Li's face, we are going to draw her nose. For this, we will start by drawing the bridge of her nose by drawing a line in the middle of her face that curves inwards at the bottom. Then we will draw a small curved line on the right side for the bottom right of her nose. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw her mouth. For this, we are going to draw a curved line below her nose. Then we are going to draw a curved line on top of that has a little wave in the middle. And lastly, for her mouth, we are going to draw a line through the middle to separate her lips. Now we are going to draw Ming's eyes. To the left above the bridge of her nose, we are going to draw a half circle oval-like shape. Then inside of that, we are going to draw a circle towards the right for her eye. Inside of that, we are going to draw a C for her pupil, and then we are going to bolden it in. When you bolden your C in, make sure to be careful so that you leave the middle part white. Awesome job! Now we are going to add mini eyelashes on the top outer half of her eye. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw her right eye. This will be drawn the same way that we just drew the left one. I'm going to thicken some of the eyelashes on the left eye to even out the eyelashes on both eyes. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw the eyebrows. First, we will draw the left one. Then we are going to draw the right one the same way. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now for the final step of drawing her face, we are going to draw a small dot below her right eye, towards the outer side of her face. Great job! Now we are going to begin drawing her hair. We will first draw a curved line going from the right side of her face upwards a little bit. Then from the top of that, we are going to draw a straight line going upwards. Then from the top of that straight line, we are going to draw a long sideways S shape going all the way across her head past her left ear. Awesome job! Now we are going to go from the bottom of that straight line and draw a line connecting to the S. Now we are going to draw the right side of her hair, starting from the top of that straight line and having a wavy line going down connecting to the top of her right ear. Then we are going to draw a big curved line from the top of that straight line connecting to the left side of the S. Then we are going to continue from right there and draw a curvy line connecting to the top of the left ear. Then we are going to draw a small curved line going from the bottom left of her earring to the left side of her face. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now the final step will be to add some wavy lines throughout her hair for detail. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.